Making memories is important to you, and how you save those precious memories matters. So you choose only world-class products from Creative Memories. High-quality and photo-safe albums and supplies ensure your memories will last a lifetime. Now, some people may think scrapbooking is merely a hobby, but many advisors started out as hobbyists too. So your inner entrepreneur may be nudging you lately to take the next step. But you've got questions, like how complicated is it to earn money? Are there hidden fees? Is there a minimum order to maintain? Good thing the Creative Memories plan is as straightforward as it gets. The more you sell, the more you earn. No monthly order minimums. Plus, you get a personal website totally free and you earn commission on everything you sell. How does it work? When you sign up to become an advisor at just $49 per year, you get a $10 coupon to use on your first order. And you can start sharing your new business with family and friends right away. Every order you or your customers place counts towards your rolling 12-month account balance. As your account balance grows, your earnings grow, reaching up to 40% paid weekly. Love working with friends? Then invite others to join you, and you'll earn on their sales too. The more team members you have and the more they sell, the more you earn. So if you're already buying the products you love and doing a hobby you love, why not join over 10,000 other advisors and create a business you love? Go to creativememories.com to sign up today.